CCNA Network Lab. Setup Overview Objective: to provide a step-by-step guide through a series of 10 virtual labs that teach the fundamentals of networking, from basic commands to full network configuration and security. Network Topology Overview Components: Router 1, e.g. Cisco 1941. Switches 1 to 2, e.g. Cisco 2960. Wireless Access Point, AP. One-end devices, 3 to 5 PCs, laptops or servers. Ethernet cables, for all connections. Console cable, for device configuration. Network diagram, illustrate the connections. Router, switch, end devices with AP linked to the switch. Virtual Labs Overview Lab 1, Basic Router Configuration. Objective: learn basic router commands and configuration. Tasks: access router via console, set hostname and enable passwords. Commands: bash copy code, enable configure terminal hostname. Router 1 enable secret, your password. Lab 2, basic switch configuration. Objective: understand switch setup and basic commands. Tasks: access switch, set hostname, and secure console access. Commands: bash copy code, enable configure terminal hostname, switch 1 line con 0 password. Your password login. Lab 3, IP addressing and subnetting. Objective: learn to assign IP addresses and subnetting. Tasks: configure IP addresses for router and devices. Commands: bash copy code interface. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.1.1/25.25.25.0. No shutdown. Lab 4, VLAN configuration. Objective: introduce VLANs for network segmentation tasks. Create and assign VLANs on the switch. Commands: bash copy code, VLAN 10 name, sales interface range FA0/1-12. Switch port access VLAN 10. Lab 5, router and switch interconnection. Objective: understand inter-VLAN routing. Tasks: configure trunking between router and switch. Commands: bash copy code, interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/1 encapsulation .1Q 10 IP address 192.168.2.1/12 55.2.55.255.0. Lab 6, configuring a wireless access point. Objective: set up a wireless network. Tasks: configure SSID and security settings. Commands: via web interface. Set SSID to my network and enable WPA2 security. Lab 7, implementing basic security features. Objective: apply security measures on devices. Tasks: enable SSH on the router and switch. Commands: bash copy code IP domain, name your domain.com, crypto key. Generate RSA line VTY04 transport input, SAH. Lab 8, access control lists, ACLs. Objective: understand and implement ACLs. Tasks: create standard and extended ACLs to restrict traffic. Commands: bash copy code. Access list 10 permit 192.168.1.00.00.255. Interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 IP access group 10 in Lab 9, troubleshooting connectivity issues. Objective: diagnose common network issues. Tasks: use ping, traceroute, and show commands to troubleshoot. Example: bash copy code ping 192.168.1.3 show IP interface brief. Lab 10, final review and configuration backup. Objective: review all configurations and back them up. Tasks: save running configuration to startup configuration. Commands: bash copy code copy, running config startup config conclusion. This series of 10 virtual labs provides a comprehensive learning experience for CCNA candidates. By progressing from basic commands to complex configurations, candidates will gain a strong grasp of networking concepts, essential for job interviews and real-world applications. Additionally, the inclusion of security measures ensures a well-rounded understanding of modern networking environments.